So now we have all of these seams prepared, except for the scanning. Laser scanning requires us a special thing. Which is, we need to identify where we need to scan the weld with the laser scanner. And actually it's done automatically.
I'm guessing we bring it over to the cell and place it in the worker's wall.
Yeah, we'll do that just in a second, okay? I will generate the sensing trajectories.
Yeah.
And you may see that they're prepared here, okay? So all of these points will be scanned by a laser.
Well, you're generating the sensing trajectories based off what?
It is, the algorithm identifies the geometry of the weld, the geometric plates the weld consists of, and we try to identify in each point of the weld whether the plate is really in the expected position or not.
And you're using the 3D model that I brought to you.
Yes.
And you're providing this solution. Great.
Everything is set up, but one weld requires special manual work because it's a tricky one. Sometimes it happens.
Which one is that now?
This one. With plates being not rectangular.
It's not about the nozzle being too big.
The same one. So it requires us...
But the reason is the plates are too big?
And also, no, the plates are placed not in a rectangular angle.
Oh, right.
That's why
it's... Yeah.
So we change the work angle for that, and also we need to create manual sensing points for that.
Gotcha.
Let me do that.
Okay.
So what I actually do is just I click here.
Yeah. Oh, that's good.
It should be pretty easy and fast, I believe.
So this will involve some human welding?
No. It just requires me to set up this sensing procedure manually. It takes a minute, as you see, it takes a minute. Yeah.
Gotcha.
I click apply, yep, it's ready. Hey, I found another weld which requires some tuning. You see this internal weld?
Yes, on the inside of the other tricky zone. Yes.
The problem is, with a default work angle, it will hit this cylinder.
Correct.
And so I suggest us to split it into two halves. I'll do that.
All right.
Now I will split it into two parts. Okay, good. Okay, we may take a look how it looks like in virtual world first. Yeah.
It's gonna start moving, yeah?
Yes. You have possibility to change the speed, so you may rewind it. First, it will start with initial positioning.
Oh, it's moving! Great, there it is. Nice one, yeah. Can you press like the 2x button like you do on voicemails?
I can do 10x.
10x.
Enough for you?
For a very boring weld, yes.
Okay.
Okay. 10x, there you go. Bish, bash, bosh. Job almost done. Checks in the post. Great.
Yeah, and so on. So I believe we may move on to the real welding.
Wonderful. Let's go. Well, to the zone. Yes.
Okay.
All right. Let's take these.